So total amount payable 1,10,000. How much available? 1,01,000. How much shortage? 9,000. Your balance sheet, how much is there? 2 lakh is already there. 20,000 plus 2,000, 22,000 at the rate of rupees 10 each. What's your face value available? 20,000. How much premium is payable? 10,000. Bank account debtor, profit and loss account debtor to investment account, security premium account debtor, preference share premium account. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram, First Street College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Accounting 3, third semester BBA. The session goes in favor of redemption of preference share. In the last session, I have explained the entry for 10 marks. This session, we are going to have general entry with a balance sheet. Here, redemption of preference share with a balance sheet. So far, we solved only for 10 marks. This is for 15 marks question. You have to prepare the redemption of preference share entry and a balance sheet you have to make after the redemption of preference share. First, I will explain this. See that 1,008% redeemable preference share 100 each, 1 lakh. We have to pay back 1 lakh rupees. Then there's the amount to be paid back face value. Then 20,000 equity shares of 10 each, 2 lakh is there. Reserve and surplus. You already share premium is 20,000. In the reserve, you have got 50,000. Then your P&L account, you have got a 50,000. Credit out to pay here. Come back. This is the front end machinery. Fixed assets are, then debtor, BR, investment bank is there. So this is a balance sheet before the redemption of preference share. Now we are going to make the redemption of preference shares now. For the first point, the company decides to redeem the preference shares at a premium of 10%. What's your face value? Here, see that. What's your face value? 1 lakh at a premium of 10% means you have to pay 1,10,000. A fresh issue of 2,000 equity share 10 each at a premium of 40%, which was paid in full. All the investment were sold for rupees 55,000. It arranged the bank out up to the extent necessary. The preference shares were redeemed. Give journal entry and prepare the balance sheet after redemption. So, what's your face value? 1 lakh at a premium of 10% to be paid. We'll go with the working note here. Preference share capital is equal to 1 lakh plus 10% premium is equal to 10,000. So totally you have to pay 1,10,000 payable. Come back. Preference shares face value premium. What's your face value? What's your face value? 1 lakh. What's your premium? 10,000. Face value is 1 lakh. Premium is 10,000. Your face value is 1 lakh and the premium is 10,000 rupees. So what the company says, no? We have issuing 2,000 shares of 10 each at a premium of 40. 40% of 10 is 4 rupees. Issue shares. Issue equity shares. So, what's your face value? Rupees 10 plus 40%. 40% of 10 is 4. Issued at 14. How many shares were issued now? 2,000 shares. So, face value 2,000 into 10. This is 20,000. We have issued how much? 2,000 shares of 10 each, 20,000. Premium 2,000 into 4. 8,000. So 28,000. Your face value is 20. What's your face value? 1 lakh. What's your face value available? 20,000. How much premium is payable? 10,000. How much you have got? 8,000. So if you go with a balance sheet, no, you're fully paid. All the investment were sold. It arranged the bank overdraft to the next day. So how much premium is paid? A fresh issue of 2,000 equity share of this each at a premium of 40%. 2010 is 20,000. Here now premium is available. Actually, you have to pay all the investment. It arranged the bank over the preference shares were duly redeemed. He says no. So the problem is no. Here we got already share premium. How much is there? 20,000. We can utilize that premium and pay back the preference share premium. What's your face value to pay paid? 1 lakh. How much available? By issuing the share, you got 20. We have to pay back 1 lakh rupees. How much you have got? 20. What's the balance is there? 80,000. That 80,000 should be utilized. Here, your general reserve is 50, your P&L account is 50,000, but what's your investment value? 60,000, which has been sold for 55,000 at a loss of 5,000. We'll pass the entry and see that how much will it come. What is the first one? Shares are issued. How many shares are issued? 2,000 shares are issued. We'll go one by one. Shares are issued. How many shares are issued? 2,000 at rupees 10 at a 14 of rupees. Then you have got a profit and loss account. Now you have to utilize you can utilize the general reserve. You can utilize the profit and loss account. Actually, you want 1 lakh. How much available? 20,000 is available. See that you got 50,000 in the general reserve and 50,000 in the profit and loss account. Then actually you have to pay how much available? 20,000. How much is payable? 1 lakh. How much available? 20,000. How much shortage? 80,000 is shortage. The shortage can be filled up with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account. Okay. So once you make up now, what's the preference share premium payable? 10,000. You already got excess is 8,000. We have got on the balance sheet 20. You can utilize the security premium in order to pay the preference share premium. We'll go one by one now. First entry. Number 1. So how many shares were issued? 2,000. Bank account debtor 2,000 into 14. 10 rupees the real value, 40% of the 4 rupees, 28,000. 2. Equity share capital. So 2,000 into 14 is 28,000. Face value 2,000 into 10, 20,000. 20,000. 2. Share equity, share premium 2,000 into 4, 8,000. So totally how much? 28,000. Your equity share capital is 20,000. Your equity share premium is 8,000. So this is by issuing the share. So you already got how much money? 20,000 you got. You sold the investment. See that? What's your investment value? Your investment value is 60,000. Which has been sold for 55,000. Second entry. Bank account debtor 55,000. Bank account debtor 55,000. Profit and loss account 5,000. 2. Investment, it comes to 60,000. Okay, we got 55,000, 5,000, investment 60. How much loss we suffer? 5,000. See that. If we see your balance sheet, no? Now, we can take 20,000 from the, you actually have to pay 1 lakh rupees, no? Premium to premium. How much premium is payable? 8,000. How much already available in the balance sheet? See the balance. How much premium available? Security premium. You can utilize security premium that is equity premium, account debtor 10,000 to redeemable preference share premium, premium to premium 10,000. So you satisfied. Premium to premium has been satisfied. What's the entry? Security premium account debtor to redeemable preference share premium. Now what's your face value? 1 lakh. How much available? You got 20,000. How much shortage? 80,000. In your reserve you got 50,000. P&L account 50,000. You can utilize reserve and profit and loss account. Here, fourth entry. General reserve account debtor 50,000. Profit and loss account debtor 30,000 to CRR account 80,000. Create. For a shortage, you create the CRR. How much by issuing the share? You got 20,000. You create the CRR here. You create the CRR with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account. General reserve account debtor, profit and loss account debtor to CRR account. Premium to premium satisfied. Now, 20,000 you already got by issuing the share. How much shortage? About 80,000 that has been taken from the reserve and profit and loss account. Number 5. Transfer entry. Redeemable preference share capital redeemable preference share 1 lakh. Redeemable preference shares premium 10,000 to redeemable preference shareholders 1,10,000. How the entry goes? Redeemable preference, here the entry goes now. Redeemable preference share capital account debtor, redeemable preference share premium account debtor to redeemable preference share holders account. Now you pay back. Sixth entry. Redeemable preference share holders account debtor 1,10,000 to bank account 1,10,000. Being preference shareholder paid. We have paid the preference share. Being preference shareholders paid. You have paid. If we see your, so we have paid now. You have to prepare the balance sheet now. See that. If we see your profit and loss account, in your profit and loss account, you have got 50,000. Profit and loss 50,000 minus loss on investment 5,000. Balance is 45,000. See that? So what's your profit and loss account? 50,000. Loss on investment 5. How much available? 45. Minus CRR created. Taken. How much you have taken? 30,000. 50. Profit and loss account balance. Is the balance available. So how much available? Only 15,000 is available. Then the problem says if there is a necessary bank overdraft, you have to pay. So there is one sentence is there. It arrange the bank overdraft to the extent necessary. It arrange the bank overdraft, it arrange the necessary. So bank overdraft. Actually, how much available in your, see that bank overdraft, you are going to calculate now. If you see the balance sheet, what's your cash at bank? 18,000, your cash at bank already available. Cash at bank. 18,000 available. This is already available in the cash at bank. Plus fresh issue. By issuing the share, you got how much money? 28,000. 28,000. By issuing the share, you got 28,000. Sale of investment. By selling the investment, see that? By selling the investment, you got how much money? 55,000. Add the figure. 0. So 1,01,000 is available. 1,01,000 is available. So redeemable preference share 1,10,000 to be paid. How much money to be paid? 1,10,000 minus available 1,01,000. So 9,000 is the shortage. So bank coding. Overdraft. Bank overdraft to be arranged. So total amount payable 1,10,000. How much available? 1,01,000. How much shortage? 9,000. For that, you have to prepare the bank overdraft amount. Okay. To the extent of 9,000. 17. Bank account debtor 9,000. 2. Bank overdraft 9,000. If you want, I can explain once again. Here now, see the students. You got in the cash at bank 18,000. By issuing the fresh issue, you have got 28,000. By sale of investment, you got 55,000. How much available? 1,01,000 is available. How much you have to pay? 1,10,000 you have to pay. How much available? 1,01,000 is available. How much shortage? 9,000. For that, we have to create the bank overdraft money to the extent of 9,000. Now, you have to prepare the balance sheet according to that. Come back here. Here, number 1. Fixed assets. Which are the fixed assets? See that? Machinery, 70,000. Building, 2,10,000. Machinery, 70,000. Building, 2,10,000. This goes in favor of fixed assets. Then we see that. Then current assets. Number 1, debtors. The item, see that. Number 1, debtor. Then BR, debtor. Next is BR. Investment won't come. It has been sold. Bank. So we'll go one by one. What's your debtor figure? See the debtor figure. Debtor is 35,000. BR is 47,000. 35,000. This is 35,000 BR. BR is 47,000. Question of bank does not come because you created the bank overdraft. This is your check. So you have got a fixed asset 70,000 plus 2,10,000. Then have you got any other fixed asset? See that. So only plant and machinery, land and building is there. Only 70,000 and 2,10,000 is there. So then you have got, okay, now come back here. So you'll redeem the pay. In that case, the CRR is created. Okay. Then, come back here, I will say, number 1, equity share capital So you have issued 2,000 share. Remember here, already in your balance sheet, how much you got? 2,000 share of 10 each means 20,000. You already in the balance sheet. See the balance sheet. Your balance sheet, how much is there? 2 lakh is already there. 20,000 plus 2,000, 22,000 at the rate of rupees 10 each. 22,000 shares at rupees 10 each. So 2,20,000. Then redemption of preference share means you create a CRR with the help of general reserve and profit and loss account to the extent of 70,000. CRR 70,000. Okay. Then see that this over reserve and security premium 20,000 plus 8,000. How much utilized? 10,000. Security premium 20,000 old one plus 8,000 minus 10,000. So available is 18,000. Can you understand this? 20,000 plus 8,000. So 20,000 P&L account you have got security premium 20,000 plus 8,000 minus 10,000. So you have paid, you are available, paid. Then see that what you got. So this is over. General reserve has been fully utilized. How much you got? Profit and loss account. You work out in the profit and loss account now. Already work out. Profit and loss account. Only 15,000 left over as per the working note. 15,000 is left over. I will explain. Now, what is the next one? This over current liability. Creditor 40,000, BP 20,000. Here, current liabilities. Current liabilities now. Creditors 40,000. BP. Creditor 40,000. BP 20,000. 20,000. So 40,000, 20,000. Add. So you created CRR, you created everything, 40,000. Then bank overdraft. $8,000. So this is 308 plus 5, 13, 21. Add the figure here now. Plus 2,10,000 plus 35,000. This is 2,80,000 plus 35,000 plus 47,000 plus it comes to 3,62,000. Here 2,20,000 plus 70,000 plus 18,000 2,90,000 plus 33,000 plus 68,000 3,91,000. Here 2,20,000 18,000 15,000 60,000. Bank overdraft is 9,000. This is bank overdraft is 9,000. So 3,92,000. We'll repeat. 2,20,000 plus 70,000 plus 9,000. So here, if you add 2,90,000, this is 2,90,000 plus 18 plus 33,000, 3,23,000, 69,000, 3,92,000 here. So totally, so this is 0. If you go with the balance sheet now, 0, 0, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 9, 13, 20, 28. Here left out here is one more left out here. Here no. Furniture. Balance sheet is not 40,000. Here 0. So 7 plus 1, 8 plus 4, 12, 17, 24. So totally it will come 4 lakh. If you add no 4,80,000. So 70,000, 2,10,000, 40,000, then 35,000, 47,000, 60,000, then 18,000 here. If you add no, so wrong balance sheet here, 70,000 plus 2,10,000 plus 40,000 plus 35,000 plus 47,000 plus 60,000 plus 18,000. 4,80,000. Okay. So furniture is left over here. 4,80,000. Come back here. Asset side. Balance sheet. Here. Furniture. 40,000. Furniture. So machinery 70,000. So building 2,10,000. Then here furniture is 40,000. Then add this figure now. 0, 0, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 1 plus 8, 9, 1 plus 7, 8, 9, 13, 16, 20, 1 plus 2, 6. So 35,000. This is 2,80,000. 2,80,000 plus 2 lakh plus this is 2,80,000 plus 2,80,000 plus 40,000 plus 35,000 plus 47,000, 4,02,000. It will tally for 4,02,000. 4,02,000 is total. So missing is machinery 70,000, building 2,10,000, furniture is 40,000, debtor 35,000, BR 47,000, bank won't come, become the bank overdraft here. So 4,02,000. So here now, issuing the share, you got 2,20,000. Then CRR is created to the extent of 70,000. Security premium, you got only 80,000. Capital reserve, you got CRR. See that? You go with the balance sheet now. Your general reserve is 50,000. You created to the extent of 80,000 CRR. Here, you created the CRR to the extent of 80,000. So you got 20,000 from issuing the share. CRR created is 80,000. So 80,000, 18,000 is available in the premium. 15,000 goes to profit and loss account. Then 40,000, 20,000. It will tally for 4,02,000. I will repeat. Only left out item, machinery 70,000, building 2,10,000, furniture 40,000, current asset debtor 35,000, BR 47,000, bank won't come because a bank overdraft is there. Come back here, it is 2,20,000, CRR is 80,000. So 20,000 by issuing the share, you got 80,000. Security premium, you have got 20 plus 8 by issuing the share. How much utilized? 10,000. How much left over? 18,000. In your P&L account, the left over as per the working note, it is only 15,000. First we have got 50. 15 has been utilized actually out of 50. By selling the investment, you got a loss of 5,000. Balance is 45,000. CR created 30,000. How much left over? 15,000. Creditor 40,000. BP 20,000. Bank overdraft, this is 9,000. So totally it will tally for 2 lakh. Check up now. 2,20,000 plus 80,000. This becomes 3 lakh plus 33,000. 3 lakh 33 plus 69,000. 4 lakh, it will tally 4 lakh 2. I will explain once again. Here in the old balance sheet, the furniture is, you have to take furniture 40,000. These are all current assets. Current asset, debtor 35,000, BR 47, investment has been sold. Cash at bank becomes a bank overdraft because you have taken the loan. So here, so 1,10,000. So you already 2 lakh. By issuing the share 20, it becomes 2,20,000. Security premium 20,000 plus 8,000 minus 10,000. General fully utilized. Here you have taken now 50, only 30,000 you have taken. So how much left over? 15,000. Creditor same, BP same. Only one extra will come. Bank overdraft 9,000. Remember, bank overdraft, cash at bank has gone. Instead of that, now you got a bank overdraft of rupees 9,000. Oh, you understand? If you want, I can repeat this. 2,000 equity share of 10 each here now. Your cash at bank is 18,000. Fresh issue 28,000. Sale of investment 55,000. How much available? 1 lakh 1,000 is available. So 1,10,000 you have to pay. How much available? 1,01,000. Your bank overdraft is 9,000. Okay. So here balance sheet now. Bank account data to equity share capital to equity share by sale of investment account. Bank account data, profit and loss account data to investment account, security premium account data, preference share premium account, redeemable preference shareholder account data to bank account. Regarding the bank code, bank overdraft account data, bank account data to bank overdraft account 9,000. So fixed asset, machinery 70,000, building 2,10,000 furniture. These are all the fixed assets. Then current asset, debtor 35,000, BR 47,000, no bank order 4,20,000. So 2,20,000, CRR is 80,000, security premium 18,000, profit loss by 15,000, creditor 40, bank overdraft is 9,000. So it will tally for 4,02,000. It will tally for 4,02,000. So here we pass the journal entry and prepare the balance sheet. How to create the bank code, you understand. The available balance is only 1,01,000, but you have to pay 1,10,000. How much excess is there? 9,000. For that, we create a bank code to the extent of 9,000. So we have created the only leftover furniture you have taken. So furniture is 40,000. That's all. So once you have now all the things that bank, cash at bank is not there. Instead of that, you have got a bank overdraft. So in the next session, we'll have one more good problem on redemption of preference share with a balance sheet. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class with a journal entry and a balance sheet. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next session.